Today, guys, we are making some tacos. So this is the shrimp and sweet corn tacos. You would love it. Let's get started. I have my sweet corn in the bowl. Go in with fresh parsley, paprika, some lemon juice, mayonnaise, and give this a good mix. Set this aside and get some sliced cabbage, some more lemon juice, and black pepper. Mix this and set this aside. We're going to proceed to prepare the shrimp. Season with any spice of choice and add some olive oil. You cook on both sides until the shrimp is well cooked. Now set this aside and we'll prepare the taco bread. I have my taco bread here and I'm going to cook this in a little olive oil on both sides. Once this is done, just layer all of the yummy goodness, the cabbage, the sweet corn mixture, and the shrimp. Now add some taco sauce and you are good. Now tell me, guys, will you love to try this? Will you love to have a taste? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.